Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the tools needed by every forex trading beginner in order to succeed in the forex market. In case you're joining us for the first time, I am MyFXBook the Great. Welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all of your support. I really appreciate you guys' support and love on my previous videos. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. TradingView is an application or software available on both mobile phones and PC that can be used to make analysis of the forex markets. TradingView is the #1 used platform used by majority of traders in the world today to make the analysis of the forex markets. It provides a list of assets like indices, metals, crypto, forex, and so much more for you to be able to make analysis and place trades on. If you want to check out TradingView, I'll be leaving the description down below. After your analysis has been done on TradingView, now we move on to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is basically an application or software that allows traders to execute trades flawlessly. It provides a list of tools to aid traders in executing their trades with ease. Traders can log into their trading accounts if their brokers are supported by the MetaTrader platform. If you haven't joined MetaTrader 5, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can join right now. Now let's talk about brokers. Brokers aid clients to buy and sell currencies and charge a commission for their services. A broker is basically what you use to create an account to trade forex rates. Without a broker, you cannot trade live funds on the forex markets. A broker can be logged into MetaTrader 5 in order to execute trades with your own personal funds. There are different types of brokers out there. I'll be listing a few of them in the description. I'll also be pasting a few of them on the screen right now so you guys can see the thousands of brokers that we have out there. MyFXBook is an application or software that helps in account management. It provides a lot of tools like fundamentals, risk management calculator, and account management in general. Traders can link their brokers to MyFXBook in order to keep a well-detailed track record of their account's progress. I'll be leaving the link below of MyFXBook in case you want to check that out too. ForexFactory.com provides traders with a detailed descriptions of news, events, and fundamentals in the markets. They are categorized based off of high impact, medium impact, or low impact. This way, traders are able to tell what news or events may affect the market volatility. If you want to check out Forex Factory, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description. A trading journal is simply a documentation of a trader's thought process before, during, and after placing a trade. A trading journal is very important for every trader if they aim to achieve profitability because it helps them identify the mistakes, the errors that they make while placing or taking a certain trade. By jotting down your emotions and thought process while making trades, you are able to identify what causes your losses and you are able to minimize the loss that will happen in the future. It mustn't necessarily be that of high caliber. Personally, for myself, I use WhatsApp or Telegram to document and journal my trades every day. Now that will be all for this video. If you ended up enjoying this video, ensure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new videos in the future. Also, if you have video recommendations or what you want from me to produce, what type of content you want to see from me, please drop a comment down below. I'll be reading all comments, and the comment with the most likes, I will make that my next video. With that being said, I thank you all for reaching this part of the video, and I wish you all a lovely, a safe, and an amazing day. Goodbye, everybody.